Take a look at this channel named Excuses Erased. This channel has gained more than 400,000 subscribers, and the most shocking part is that they have uploaded only 26 videos. Where it's difficult for someone to reach only 1,000 subscribers in 26 videos, this channel broke every record, but this isn't luck. It's because of the niche this creator is working on, and to prove that this isn't luck, take a look at this second channel. This second channel is of the same creator of the first channel, and in second channel they have crossed 100K subscribers, and that too, again, with only 28 videos. And all this proves that this niche really is something else. I know that you already knew about this channel, but still, you couldn't find a way to make videos anywhere near to what this channel makes. To provide you a clear idea of what type of videos I am referring to, take a look at a small clip of what this creator actually makes.
Tom had founded a successful startup. He bought a beautiful house and the neighbors regularly came to his barbecues. Tom enjoyed the admiration of his...
So guys, today in this video, I will teach you how you can make top quality videos exactly like this creator in just 5 minutes. The niche we are talking about today is named Life Lessons and Moral Stories niche. This niche is powerful because it speaks to real life experiences and emotions that everyone can relate to. People love stories that remind them of kindness, hope, and the simple ways we can make a difference. So if you make videos on this niche for just 30 days, you will be the next Excuse Erased. Before starting, I have a giveaway announcement of a special all-in-one AI tool. And this time, I am not doing just one, instead 3 giveaways to 3 of my subscribers. So make sure you are subscribed and also write hashtag ProvenTube in the comments of this video to participate in the giveaway. And don't miss the next video, because in the next video, 3 giveaway winners will be picked live in front of you. So our first step will be to make a new channel. Starting a new YouTube channel is like moving into a fresh, clean apartment. You get to design it exactly how you want, with no leftover clutter from the past. An old channel is like that dusty old room where you've thrown everything over the years. Random videos, forgotten ideas, and maybe even a few cringy moments you'd rather forget. With a new channel, you get a clean slate, fresh algorithms, and a chance to grab a new audience without any old baggage. So first click on your channel logo and top right corner, and then switch channel, and then view all accounts, and then create a new channel and simply write down your channel name. Here you can take help of GPT in finding a good name for your channel. And for channel logo, I would suggest you to download a perfect image from Lexica AI, because the time you will spend up in making a logo by yourself, you can invest that time and find a pre-made amazing image for your channel. And almost every new channel uses Lexica to get their channel logos. Then simply open YouTube Studio and go to customization, and then simply upload your channel logo here. Take your time to adjust it, and then simple click on done, and your logo is set. And in your starting, skip the banner. It's like putting a tie on a T-Rex. Completely pointless right now. Then for channel description, go to GPT and ask GPT to provide me a short, well-written description for my YouTube channel named On This Niche, Life Lessons and Moral Stories, and use only easy and simple English. After GPT provides you with the description, simply copy it, paste it in the description section of YouTube Studio, and your basics are completed and your channel is created. Now, for 3 to 4 days, just use this channel normally, like watching videos, subscribing different channels, giving likes, and leaving comments, and don't overdo anything. Just be a human. Now comes the scripting part. Now, this is the most important part. Your script alone can make your video go viral. The more the audience can connect and resonate with your script, more the chances are of them to watch the video till the end, which is just what YouTube wants. So, for a best level professional script, first, we will ask GPT to provide me some really engaging videos, ideas that can connect with people emotionally and resonate with their feelings and make them watch video till the end on Life Lessons and Moral Stories niche. In this way, GPT will provide you only top-level ideas, but here is the important part. You have to carefully read all the ideas and then choose an idea that you think has the potential to go viral, and after that, paste this special prompt in GPT. It is available in the description. It's a customizable prompt. All you need to do is just insert your video topic in this prompt, and in return, GPT will provide you a script that is even difficult for professional script writers to write. After all this is done, now is the time to make top quality videos with moving images, just like Excuses Erased. And for that, we will use AI Cut lately. They have added some top-level features in their platform, which triggered me to make a video on those features once again. So simply click on Create Your First Video and simply create your account. After you land on this page, there are 4 4 different niches available. We will go with this AI story niche. After that, head back to GPT and simply copy up your script and then paste that script in AI Cut. You can even do some changes to the script just like you wish to make script more engaging, and then simply select your preferred language from here. There are lots of languages. You can go with any language of your choice. After that, from the video section, you can first select the aspect ratio of your video, because today we will make long form videos and not short. So we will select 16:9, and then from AI video mode, you have to select AI Video Pro, and then make sure transitions are turned on. And after that, you have to select his Pixar image style. This is the image style that Excuses Erased uses in his video. Many people don't even know that what style does Excuse Erase uses. So it's Pixar style. And then from captions section, you can go with any type of captions. It's your personal choice and preference. I personally like glowy captions because they are attractive and currently trending. And then from voice section first, you have to select 11 labs and simply take your time and listen to all the voices and choice a little bit masculine and calm voice, or just use a female voice. And after, then in final, you can select a good background music, while AI Cut has very limited background music. Each of these musics is one of the trending music that can go well with any possible niche. So finally, guys, when you have done all this, simply click on Create AI Image Story, and AI Cut will simply start making the video for you. The video can take a few minutes to be ready depending on the length of your video. And there is one more thing that I need to tell you. I have seen many negative people saying that AI videos are not monetized. And because of this rumor, many people think that AI videos really are not monetized, which is 100% false, because AI videos are 100% monetized unless you don't break any rules. So guys, our video is finally ready. Let's take a look at it.
If only I could go back and talk to my younger self, I'd start by saying, you have no idea how much pain you're going to feel because of the choices you're making right now. You think you're invincible, that nothing can break you. But trust me, the heartbreak, the regret, the missed opportunities.
Wasn't it amazing? Guys, let me know your opinion in comments section. AI Cut has 2 plans. First plan costs $16 per month, and second plan, which is basically automation, plan costs $40 per month. I already made a video on how you can completely automate your channel. Using AI Cut, video will be coming on. I button at top right corner. Now guys, let's upload our video with proper SEO. First head back to GPT and paste your script there and ask GPT to, this is my video script, and I want you to provide me well-written short titles for my video, along with a short, well-written description with relevant keywords, and also provide me hashtags to viral my video. After all this is done, simply read out all the titles and simply copy up a good title that amazingly represents your video and just paste it in the title section of your video, and then copy up the description and paste your description in your video. And after that, simply copy-paste 3 to 4 hashtags that are related to your video and your niche, and that would be enough to help YouTube algorithm understand what your video is about. After that, copy up your video title once again and search for rapid tags on Google, and simply open up this website and paste this title here and press enter, and rapid tags will provide you all high search tags for your video related to your title. All you need to do is copy from here and then paste them all in the tags section like this, and now pay a close attention and remove the unwanted tags and just keep relevant tags. And after that, about video category, you have to go with entertainment category. And then if you are thinking about thumbnail, so guys, the video will become very long. So if you want to make top quality viral thumbnails for free using AI, then don't forget to watch the video that will pop at the end of this video. And finally, about uploading time, YouTube itself states that uploading time won't affect your video in long term. So just think by yourself and upload your video at a time when most of the audience is active in your country on YouTube. Now, if I tell you about affiliate marketing, there are a lot of products that you can sell in this niche. First of all, you can sell storybooks, both motivational or educational, or even self-improvement books, and books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Atomic Habits. These types of books are highly sold, so that is a great opportunity for you. Can also sell storybooks for children. As you may know, that books for kids get sold in dozens. So just imagine how much money money you can make from a single video just by affiliate marketing. At final, I will say one thing. Don't let the negativity of others poison you as well. Your life is in your hands if you won't think about yourself. Trust me, no one is coming to take care of you. You will have to take care of yourself.